Hello, Math 7 coming to you live with a video for your final quiz for this chapter. Guys, we're just trucking right along. I'm going to go ahead and solve out the answers for the even one for you guys. And hope it helps. Okay, for these first two, we're going to graph out these inequalities. Okay. So G is less than or equal to 2. Okay, so first off, I need a number line, which doesn't need to be super long and fancy. Zeros in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 2's the number that we're working with. Now, it's less than, so I know it's going to be less than 2, but it's less than or equal. So right here at 2, I'm going to color it in. That's a closed dot. Bada bing, bada boom. There's our graph. Easy money. Moving right along. Determine whether the given value is a solution to the inequality, right? Yes or no? So what we need to do is we need to plug in this value for k and see if it makes this statement true. Okay, so let's work this out. Let's do what we can. Let's do it. So I've got 2 is multiplied by k is 3, plus 8 is greater than 2. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 8 is greater than 2, while 6 plus 8 is 14. And it is true that 14 is greater than 2. That is a true statement. 14 is greater than 2. Okay, moving forward. 56 more than the quotient. Okay, so 56 more than, so 56 more than, so this is going to switch it. The quotient of, so I don't have numbers, so I know I'm going to put the division where I see my and, which is less than 15. Okay, so this is going to look like, so I'm going to add 56 at the end of the quotient, so P divided by 3, so that's my quotient, plus 56 is less than 15. That's my answer. Okay, again, let me just start to work this one with you guys. So the difference, but I don't have any numbers, so I need to put difference means subtraction, and that's going to go the next time I see and. 5 minus h not equal is this guy? 7. That's actually pretty easy. I think you guys could figure it out the rest of the way. All right, number 7. We are going to solve for our variable. Okay, solving two-step equations. 4 is multiplied to c, and 3 is subtracted from that. First thing that I do is I undo addition and subtraction. What's being subtracted here is 3. Undo subtraction by addition. So I'm going to add 3. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other, plus 3. And now I'm going to rewrite. 4c is less than or equal to 20. Okay. Now I undo multiplication and division. 4 is being multiplied by c. So in order to undo multiplication, I need to divide. I'm going to divide by this number, 4, because c is what I want to be left with. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other, so I'm going to divide this by 4. That's going to give me c. Now, I did not divide by a negative number, so that's going to just give me c is less than or equal to 20 divided by 4 is 5. So my answer is C is less than or equal to Cinco. On to the back side. Write an inequality for the sentence and then solve. So now I'm doing kind of what the last two sections were, where I'm writing one and then I'm solving it. Now I'm doing both at once. Okay, so number 9, the sum of, okay, again, sum means addition, but I don't have any numbers yet, so I'm going to put that the next time I see and. So 3 plus 4, oh, but it's 4 times a number is not equal to 19. Okay, so I've got 3 plus 4 times n. 4n is not equal to 19. And now I need to solve. So again, my goal is to isolate my variable. What's being added over here is 3. How do I undo addition? By subtraction. Okay, forgive the washing machine if you hear that in the background. So 4n is what I'm left with on this side of the equation, and then it's not equal to 19 minus 3 is 16. These two are being multiplied, so I need to divide by 4. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. That leaves me with n is not equal to 16 divided by 4 is 4. Easy money. All right, guys, hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know, and then I will be able to respond, help you guys out, maybe even come out with more videos. Otherwise, love you. Have a great day.